The Vibe Blender is for so much more than just smoothies and sauces. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own slushies using the Vibe Blender. You can make your own cocktails or mocktails in a matter of seconds. Today I'm going to show you a really fresh and simple watermelon slushie. To prep for this recipe, you'll need to be about a day ahead. I've frozen a bunch of watermelon in chunks overnight, so now we can put our watermelon into the blender jug. You want to fill up your blender jug to serve 2 people, and that'll be around 500 grams of frozen watermelon. Next, you want to squeeze around half a lime into the blender jug, along with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave. Finally, add around 1/4 cup of cold water and insert the tamp into the blender jug lid. Blend on smoothie mode until you get an even slushy consistency. If it's a little too dry still, add a little bit more water and taste test it now to see that you like the flavor. Pour the slushy mix straight from the blender jug into a tall glass and serve straight away. You could garnish with some mint leaves or serve it just as is. So there you have a quick, simple and refreshing drink, great for summer holidays or afternoons after school. Watermelon's a really great base for slushies. Pineapple works really well as well. Great for summer barbecues and gatherings, and also just a really good alternative to other sugary drinks for the kids. For more Luvele Life recipes, make sure you subscribe and check out our website. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another recipe.